In today's fast-paced and technology-driven business world, companies increasingly depend on information technology, not just for support but as a key factor in gaining a competitive edge. However, having advanced technology alone doesn't guarantee success, as many organizations find it challenging to turn IT investments into real business value. One influential framework designed to help with this is the Strategic Alignment Model, introduced by Henderson and Venkatraman in 1993. This model highlights the importance of aligning business strategy with IT strategy and ensuring that both organizational and IT infrastructures and processes support each other. Achieving this alignment across these four areas leads to better business performance. Throughout this presentation, we will explore the model in detail, looking at how it can be applied in practice, sharing examples, and discussing its benefits and limitations, giving leaders useful insights to improve their organization's performance. The model itself is based on the idea that companies must balance strategic fit, aligning external market demands with internal capabilities, and functional integration, where all key parts of the business work together effectively. This model divides into two main areas: external domains, which include business strategy and IT strategy, and internal domains, covering organizational infrastructure and processes alongside IT infrastructure and processes. The key idea here is that strategy must align closely with execution for real effectiveness. Functional integration plays a vital role by linking business and IT strategies, as well as business processes and IT systems, to prevent either from working in isolation. The model identifies four domains that need to be in sync. First, business strategy, focusing on the business scope, unique strengths, and governance. Second, IT strategy, which looks at technology scope, systemic capabilities, and IT governance. Third, organizational infrastructure and processes, including the administrative setup, business workflows, and the culture and skills in place. And fourth, IT infrastructure and processes, covering IT architecture, development processes, and the skills within the IT team. The overall effectiveness of an organization relies heavily on how well these four domains are aligned to support each other strategically. The illustration on the slide reinforces this by showing a positive growth trend, symbolizing the potential success that comes from this strategic alignment. The strategic alignment model is especially valuable for organizations going through digital transformation or making large IT investments, as it helps improve business performance by ensuring IT supports key strategic goals, which reduces wasted spending and boosts returns. It also aids better decision-making by giving leaders a clear way to evaluate if IT projects align with broader business objectives rather than just short-term needs. This alignment can create competitive advantages too, by enabling faster market entry, better customer experiences, or cost efficiencies. Additionally, the model reduces risks linked to project failures and inefficiencies that often arise when IT and business strategies are out of sync. Another important benefit is fostering stronger communication between business and IT leaders through a shared language, helping bridge traditional gaps. To apply this model effectively, it's important to treat it as an ongoing management practice, starting with a clear definition of the business strategy to guide all further alignment efforts. To ensure alignment, businesses must start with a clear understanding of their target markets, competitive positioning, growth objectives, and value propositions, as no alignment can happen without this foundation. Once the business strategy is set, IT leaders need to define the IT strategy by identifying the necessary technologies, digital capabilities, data and analytics requirements, and governance structures. This IT strategy should clearly demonstrate how technology supports business priorities. Next, it's important to assess the organizational infrastructure and processes by evaluating current business processes, the organizational structure, decision-making authority, and the skills and culture within the organization. Any gaps or misalignments here must be addressed to support the overall strategy. Finally, the IT infrastructure and processes are examined. This includes looking at the IT architecture, application landscape, security and data platforms, as well as development and delivery methods. Any legacy systems that no longer serve strategic goals should be considered for modernization or replacement to ensure everything operates cohesively toward the business objectives. Henderson and Venkatraman outlined four main ways organizations can approach alignment: strategy execution, technology transformation, competitive potential, and service level perspective. Each organization chooses the one that fits its unique strategic situation best. It's important to keep in mind that alignment isn't a one-time effort. As markets shift, technologies advance, and business strategies evolve, continuous monitoring and adjustment are necessary. This means holding regular governance meetings, tracking key performance indicators, and conducting strategic reviews. To illustrate this in practice, consider Amazon. Their business strategy centers on being customer-focused, efficient, and scalable, and their IT strategy supports this through cloud computing, data analytics, and automation. This tight alignment has allowed AWS to grow into both an internal resource and a profitable business on its own. Similarly, Walmart faced challenges with digital disruption but managed to successfully realign their IT infrastructure with their business goals, showing how alignment can be adjusted and improved over time to meet changing demands. Walmart's strategy focuses on cost leadership and omni-channel retail, supported by advanced IT systems like supply chain management, data analytics, and automation. This alignment has enhanced their inventory control and strengthened their e-commerce competitiveness. Similarly, many traditional banks use the strategic alignment model to drive digital transformation by focusing on customer-centric services and leveraging mobile platforms and robust data security, resulting in better customer experiences and lower operational costs. Banks that fail to align their business and IT strategies often lose ground to more agile fintech companies. The model offers several benefits, including a holistic organizational perspective, better returns on IT investments, increased agility, clearer governance, and repositioning IT as a strategic partner rather than just a cost center. However, it also has challenges. It can be complex to implement, requires ongoing effort and coordination, faces difficulties in fast-changing environments, depends heavily on strong leadership support, and provides limited detailed guidance on how to achieve alignment. The strategic alignment model continues to be a key framework for understanding how businesses can use information technology to gain a strategic edge. It highlights the importance of aligning business strategy, IT strategy, organizational structure, and IT infrastructure, providing a clear method for organizations to get the most from their technology investments. While it may face challenges in rapidly changing environments, its main ideas are still very relevant today. Organizations that apply this model often see better performance, stronger governance, and a more competitive position in the market. It's important to remember that achieving strategic alignment is an ongoing process rather than a final goal. In today's world of digital transformation, this model offers valuable guidance for leaders to ensure that technology and business strategies evolve together successfully.